Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of raising an RRF/MPR/MRF/PR. Before raising, position already must be created in PromptHR. Click on the video link, given in the description box to know how to create a new position. Before you log into PromptHR, check that you have admin rights to raise an RRF/MPR/MRF/PR. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Click on Hire. Choose Raise a RRF/MPR/MRF/PR from your left-hand side menu. Now click on Add MRF/RRF/MPR/PR. Here, you will see two options. If you would like to inherit details from an existing MRF/RRF/MPR/PR, select Yes, and if you do not want to inherit details, select No. I will show you how to inherit details from an existing MRF/RRF/MPR/PR. Select Yes option and click on Proceed. Here, you will see list of existing RRF/MPR/MRF/PR. Click on that RRF/MPR/MRF/PR number, from which you want to inherit details to new RRF/MPR/MRF/PR. And click on OK to confirm. Here you will see, RRF/MPR/MRF/PR form is already filled, and here is RRF/MPR/MRF/PR number, from which you are going to inherit details. This is editable form and you can edit anything as you like. In this example I am changing experience range for this RRF/MPR/MRF/PR. It is 1 to 3 years now, but for this RRF/MPR/MRF/PR, I want to make it 3 to 5 years. If you want to modify any other data field, you can. Click on Save. It means this RRF/MPR/MRF/PR will save. A new number will be assigned to this RRF/MPR/MRF/PR. Here is the new RRF/MPR/MRF/PR that I raised. Its status is saved. Any modification is allowed because it is on saved status till now. I have not submitted yet. Once you submit this new RRF/MPR/MRF/PR, you cannot modify it and this will go for approvals. Now you can check the status from here. It is inherited from existing one.